In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram message notifications not showing up. First, check for notifications are on or off for your Instagram account setting. For this, open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on three horizontal lines which are at the top right corner, then click on settings. In settings, you will get a notifications option. Tap on it. Here make sure the pause all button is in off mode. If it is on, then turn it off. Second thing you have to check is that notifications for your Instagram app is on. For this, go to your phone's settings, scroll down, tap on apps, again scroll down, select Instagram, scroll down little bit. Here you can see a notifications option, tap on it. If this show notification is off, then turn it on. If it's already is in on mode, then move to next step. Open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the Instagram app. Here if you see the open option, it means your app is up to date. And if you see the update option instead of open, then update your app. Now if all these settings will not work, then follow the last step. Again open settings of your phone, scroll down to apps, tap on it. Again scroll down and click on Instagram. In Instagram, tap on the storage option. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find clear cache and clear data option. Tap on them one by one and the cache and data of your Instagram app will be cleared. Now restart your phone and log into your Instagram account. Hope your Instagram message notifications problem will be fixed. That's pretty much how you can fix Instagram message notifications are not showing up. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate if you like this video. See you next time.